4 chapters left, right?
Yeah.
So okay. So as today Simrat is not joining, so one thing we can do is that I will what do you want? Should I complete this part, the one remaining topic, or should I like start a new chapter according to your syllabus? What do you want? Let me know. I was thinking that if Simrat is not joining, so it won't be like, I was thinking that I should start a new topic which is coming in your basically midterm, because Simrat will not be joining, I think, for the coming 2 classes. I think so.
Why,
So
sir?
because she is having exam from tomorrow.
Oh.
Oh, so that would be a good chance for us to complete your syllabus, because in the
Yeah.
batch I won't be able to cover specific syllabus. Like, okay, so I was
Oh.
thinking that if I basically start the chapter coordinate geometry, because these are very small chapter, like it will take only one class. As you like, you are a very brilliant child, Abdul. So I'm very impressed by your mind that you grasp the concept very easily and very clearly. So that would be good. Like it will take only 4 to 5 classes to cover all your syllabus. Like basically only one chapter which is long, which is the number system chapter. Like the chapter which is polynomial, you are already done. Introduction to Euclid geometry, only one class will be needed as per your brilliance, as per your mind retention power. And coordinate chapter is also small, only one topic is there. And linear equation in 2 variable, it will take only 1.5 class. So I think that in the coming week I will be able to complete your syllabus and you will be parallel to Simrat. What do you want?
Yeah. Yeah, you can continue new chapter, sir, because there is nothing left in this chapter except parallels.
Parallel line is left, and that thing I will be doing with the Simrat as well, so that like you and Simrat will be parallel at that time. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start the new chapter. So Abdul, I won't be able to switch on my camera, as I told you that I have some issue in my
It's
eyes.
okay, sir.
Okay, so
So
because actually a little bit more pollution is here in Delhi and my eyes is a little bit itching right now, so I won't be able to. So you got it clear, dear. So
yes, sir.
let me open the book here. Just a second. So we have done the delete section. Just a moment here, because that is the batch copy. So I will be sharing this notebook PDF to you as well, for so that you can revise from this. Okay. So let's do
Okay.
the coordinate geometry. Just a second. Okay. Give me a moment, dear.
Oh.
Mhm. Like I'm sure that like the retention power you have is very good, so you will be easily able to complete the chapter in only one. Like I've also taken one class for Simrat as well for this chapter. So
Okay,
because
sir.
it's a very small chapter, coordinate geometry is very small. Only one topic is there. Like you have to just what? You have to find out the things which is there. Like what is x-axis called, what is y-axis is called. Clear? So that's what basically there is. Give me a moment.
Sir, this is introduction to Euclid's geometry.
No. You coordinate geometry. Coordinates only coordinate geometry.
Sir,
You
this one is
into
easy and I have learned maybe.
so are you like you have the concept, Abdul, of this?
Yeah. Sir,
So
can you
which
start
chapter you want to start? Which chapter you want to start? Tell me.
introduction to Euclid's geometry?
Euclid geometry. Okay.
Yeah. Because this one, sir, I know like this only I have to learn this axis.
Because this chapter is very easy, that's why I've taken, so that I've taken that chapter, which is like basically it should be completed in the class itself. No issues. I'm starting the Euclid geometry.
Okay. After this, sir, we will do this. It's okay. Like we will revise.
So we will do that first. We will do that chapter which is not covered by yourself. The chapter which is covered by yourself, we will be doing in the later part, because that would take only less time. So that's why
Yes.
first we need to cover that part, which is basically you can say, which is already covered and which you have idea. So that will take only half an hour class or 45 minutes class to cover those topics. And the topics which are new to you, we will be taking those classes. Give me a moment.
Okay.
So Euclid is a very small chapter as well, same type. Okay, a linear equation and number system is a topic which will take at least combined 3 classes. These 2 chapters will take 1.5 class. Okay, so give me a moment. So Abdul, dear, tell me, do you have any idea what is axiom and postulate? Like any idea what is basically in which mind, like basically what you think about these 2 things? Any basic idea or anything you have? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, no issues. So basically, okay. So basically, Euclid's gave us the 2 concepts. Basically, like Euclid's was a very great mathematician. So just give me a moment. Let me write down. Okay. So let's take the things which is first axiom.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, there are things which are very universal. Yes or no, Abdul?
Yeah.
Universal means that sun is hot. So is there any need to prove that sun is hot?
No, sir.
No, na. We can directly say that sun is hot.
Yeah.
Like, is there any need to prove anybody that sun is very hot? You have to perform experiments and you have to prove some theories as well. No, na.
No, sir.
So basically, the thing which are universal facts and universal truths are generally called as axioms. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, Abdul, what basically axiom is? Axiom is basically the universal truth which are not related to geometries, but generally, like specifically, we don't take axioms specifically. We take axioms as generally, like sun is hot, like sky is blue. Sky is blue, na? It's a universal fact. It's a universal truth. Yes or no?
Clouds are white like this, yeah?
Yes, Abdul.
Like clouds are white,
Clouds
sky
are
is
white,
blue.
very good. Clouds are white. Earth is a spherical, is fair or circle. You can say anything. So that's what basically universal truth is. Clear? So basically, axioms are the statements. Axioms are universal truth, which do not requires any. Basically, you can say
Uh, mm,
are universal truth or assumptions. One assumption. Sometimes assumptions is also used as.
sir, you are just starting from the basics, yeah?
Yes, I'm starting from the basics. Everything started from the basic. The first topic which is there is axiom and postulates. The definition of this.
Because I don't know this chapter.
No, Abdul, don't worry. Like whenever I start a chapter, I start from basic. I don't miss any part.
Okay, sir.
That's my first priority. That I like whether you know or not, it's my job to start from scratch. If you know, that's very good. You can revise that thing. But if you don't know, that will be like your fundamentals.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Truth or assumptions used throughout the uh, mathematics. Clear? Mathematics and not specifically linked to geometry. Clear? So basically axioms are universal truth or assumptions used throughout the mathematics. Like it is used throughout mathematics, but general cases, not like it is not specifically related to geometry. Clear?
Yes.
Axioms are general truths or assumptions. Okay.
Oh.
But postulates in opposite to axioms, postulates are the assumptions, are the statements that are related to specifically geometry. Clear, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what is the difference between axiom and postulates? Yes, Abdul. Postulates, difference between
Yes.
postulates and axiom. Can you tell me now?
Sir, postulates, I don't know what is the difference.
I've told you that postulates are the assumptions specifically related to geometry.
Sir, just 1 minute, so I'll write and revise them.
The statements, the assumptions which are not related to geometry is called as axiom. The statement which are assumptions which are related, linked to what geometry, are called as postulates. Clear, Abdul?
Yes.
That's the difference between postulate and axioms. Clear?
Yes.
Very good. So basically, some of the axioms are given in the NCERT. Clear? So I'm writing those NCERT, like you can say axioms, because some, like, it's not in order. You don't have to follow the order, but there is. Let me write down the Euclid's axiom. Okay, Abdul?
Yes.
So basically 7 axioms are there in the Euclid's basically NCERT. So Abdul, tell me, first axiom is things which are equal to the same thing Okay, Abdul. Now tell me, we have AB is equals to BC and BC is equals to AC. Now tell me, Abdul, can I say that AB is equals to AC? Yes or no? If AB is equals to BC and BC is equals to AC, so AB AC के equal भी होगा ना?
हाँ, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes. But
Or
if
you can directly say that this is equation 1, this is equation 2. BC is already there. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
can I write instead of BC here AC? Because BC AC के equal भी है. So rather than writing BC, I can write AC. Yes, na?
Yes.
So that's
Yes.
what axiom is. First axiom of the Euclids. So another axiom is clear. Is that clear, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Very good. If equals are added, the wholes are equal. Now, Abdul, tell me. I'm saying that AB is equals to BC.
Yes.
Okay. If I'm saying that I'm adding 1 on this side as well, I'm adding 1 on this side as well. Will there be any change in the value of these two sides? LHS is equals to, will the LHS will not be equal to RHS if I add 1 on both sides?
It will be equal, sir.
It will be equal. Na? Basically, maths allows us to do this thing. Math says that if you are adding something, add on the both sides. and if you are subtracting something, adds on the both sides as well, like both sides as well. The value should be same. Which you are adding, that should be added on the right side and the left side as it is. What will basically happen, Abdul? If I take 1 on this side, it will become negative, and 1 minus positive 1 and negative 1, it will become 0 now. So basically our equations become is add as it is. Yes or no, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Very good. That's how, that says basically third equation, third axiom is if equals. Next is you can directly understand what is basically the if equals are subtracted
from equals.
The wholes are equal. The remainders are equal. Basically, whatever is left will be equal.
Yes, of course.
This is a very easy chapter. A little, you can adjust a little bit tricky, but it's a very easy. Okay, Abdul, I'm saying that AB minus 1 is equals to BC minus 1. Abdul, I'm subtracting on the both sides. If I take 1 on this side, it will become positive. It is negative 1, it is positive 1. It will basically cancel out the positive. Na?
Yes.
So is that clear? Basically, if you subtract the equal things from the both sides, the remainder, the thing which are left over will be equal. There will be no change in the equation. Is that clear, Abdul dear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. So, next is things which coincide. Things which coincide with one another. With one another are equal to one another.
One another.
What does it mean basically, Abdul dear? It means that suppose that I have a line. A, this is line A. Okay. Suppose this is line AB. So I'm saying that I have another line which is AB and I am placing this line on it. Just a second. Suppose actually I'm like a little bit is there. Basically nothing, but it says that if you say that coincide means with the thing which is basically you can say placed on the same thing. Like Abdul, you can say coincide means take your hands. When you place your hands on each other, they will basically every point, everything is basically equal of your hand. Yes or no, Abdul?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Basically, yes or no, Abdul?
Yes.
Yes, na? If I'm saying that I have one point, suppose this is a point, I'm making another point on this same point. Are you able to distinguish between the 2 points?
Yes.
Are you able to distinguish? Are you able to detect there are 2 points or 1 point? Yes, Abdul.
Sir, just say again.
I'm saying that I have drawn 1 point A. Suppose this is point A. Clear? I'm again making a point on it. Can you tell me that there is another point or will only a same point is there?
Same point?
No, I have making another point, but are you able to distinguish between them? Are you able to see the another point which I have drawn right now?
No.
Suppose that this is the point again. Which means that basically this axiom says that the things which coincide, which basically are placed on each other, are basically equal. If I'm saying that this is one line and I'm making another line, are you able to, just a second, are you able to distinguish between the 2 lines? So actually I'm making a you can say freehand drawing. So are you able to distinguish here?
Yes.
Are you able to distinguish that there are 2 lines or 1 line? Suppose that I have drawn this.
No.
Okay, let's take one example. Okay, Abdul, suppose sometimes you basically use scale, rulers. You draw like this line, okay. But sometimes you see that some part is missing while drawing or is making a straight line. You make a straight line again to darken that line. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
So now tell me, are you able to distinguish that line that you have drawn one line or two lines? You will
No,
say
no.
that only one line is there. Basically,
Yeah.
why? Because the lines are equal and they are
Yes.
coinciding, which means that you are not able to distinguish between them. Yes
Yeah.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Let me share my screen again. Just a second. So now
It
tell me,
happened.
Abdul, is that clear? What
Yeah.
basically means?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. So that's what this axiom says. Clear, dear?
Yes.
Very good. 5. Next axiom is, just a second. They basically the whole is greater than the part. The whole
Is greater than the part.
is the part. So Abdul, tell me, the whole is greater than the part. Now, just a second. I'm making one example here. Suppose AB. AB is nothing but AB, not AB. I'm saying that AC. AC is BC. Sorry, AB plus BC.
AC
AB
equal to.
BC. AC equals to AB plus BC. Like we have, like I have drawn one line here. Just a second. So suppose this is a line. Okay, this is a line and this is a point B, and this is point A, and this is
Yes.
point C. Clear? I have
Yes.
basically divided this whole line into two parts. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, dear. So now tell me, Abdul, I'm saying that AC is greater than AB because AB is a part of this line. So will it be greater than AC or smaller than AC?
Greater than AC.
Yes, Abdul. AC will be greater than AB or smaller than AB? AC greater than AB होगा या smaller than AB होगा?
Smaller than AB.
Smaller than AB. AC is a whole line. AB is a segment of line.
It will be greater than AB.
AC will be greater than the AB, na? Why? AC is whole line. AB is a half line of it. Suppose this is half, or it
Understood,
can
sir.
be any part of line. AB. So AC is complete this, and AB is point here. Now tell me, AB बड़ा है, AC बड़ा है?
AC बड़ा है, sir.
AC बड़ा है ना? So basically, this axiom says that whole is greater than the part, which means that if you have some part, so obviously, basically, now tell me, if you have 10 rupees and you have given 10 rupees, like you have divided 10 rupees in such a manner like this. You have given 4 rupees to your younger sister and 6 rupees to your younger brother. Just as assume, okay? Okay, dear Abdul, get it?
Yes. Yeah.
Now tell me, 10 बड़ा होगा या 4 बड़ा होगा?
10.
10 बड़ा होगा या 6 बड़ा होगा?
10.
Why? Because obviously 10 is a greater number. That basically this axiom is saying that whole is 10 na. I have divided 10 in as 4 plus 6.
Yes.
Yes or no? So part is what? Part will be either 4 or 6 because both are the parts na. I'm not saying which one is, I'm saying the part only. Clear, Abdul?
Yeah.
Any
Yes.
doubt?
No.
So that's what basically this question says. This axiom says basically. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Next is things which are double. Just a second. Which are double, the same thing. Okay. So basically, Abdullah, I'm saying that 2AB is equals to AC. 2AB are equals to AC. Now tell me, Abdul, can I write AB as AB plus AB equals to AC?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So Abdul, tell me, AB AB के equally तो होगा. That's why I've written 2AB.
Yeah.
So that's what exam is saying. If you
Thanks.
take a double thing, basically these double things will be equal to each other.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Clear, sir.
Any doubt?
No.
Any sure na?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, that's great.
Double X.
Next is things.
Sir, just do it up.
Yes, Abdul dear.
Just do it up so I can take the screenshot.
I will send the whole PDF, dear. I will send the whole PDF. No need to worry about it. I will send this whole PDF as it is to you. Don't worry about it. No need to worry about it. Don't take screenshot. I will send the whole PDF. You can take reference or you will write on your own on your notebook. Okay.
Yeah.
Right now, just do the like whenever we will be doing the, you can say the numericals. Just write that thing because. Okay, so as you know that at this point of time you have and I have very limited period of time because I need to cover up your syllabus before your exams. Like your syllabus is very small. Like it will not take as much time because only 5 chapters are there and second chapter will be done right now. Things which are equal to one another.
Sir, this chapter 5 is that harder?
No, very easy. This chapter is very easy, Abdul. You can see that this is the only, like in exam you will your question will be says that write any 2 exams, write any 3 exams, or you can say that like we will be doing the postulates after this. Only the last exam says this. We will be doing the postulate and after that chapter is over.
Yeah, and also linear equations in 2 variables. About that I'm
very
asking.
easy, very easy.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Basically, the question is saying the base things which are half of the same things are equal to one another. Same, just like that. AB is equals to AC, nothing but. So can I write AB as AB by 2 plus AB by 2 equals to AC? Yes or no, Abdul? Half AB
yes.
and half AB will be basically what? AB, na?
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yes.
So that's what 7th axiom is saying.
This 6th and 7th is looking similar.
Yes, very good. And the first and second look similar.
Yeah.
Not sorry, second and third.
Third,
if equals are added, wholes are equal. If equals are subtracted, remainder are equal. Clear, Abdul dear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Very good. So these are the axioms. And now you can see that these are general related things. Are they related to any geometry? Like I have taken the example as of geometry, but they are not related to geometry specifically. I have taken the example only.
Yeah.
Now this can be anything. I have taken the 10 plus 4 example as well, the number 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's what axioms are. Axioms are the thing. Axioms are the assumptions or the truth, universal truth, which are related to normal mathematics, like general mathematics, is not specifically to geometry. Geometry is nothing but which it involves lines, angles, etc. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt, dear?
No, sir.
Abdul, sure na?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay. So let's come to the part postulates.
Sir.
Yes, Abdul.
Are there 5 postulates?
Yes, 5 postulates are there.
Oh.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. Just give me a second. Just give me a moment, dear. Give me a second.
Oh,
Okay, so let's come to the point axiom. Sorry, postulate. Clear? Sorry. So first postulate is number one postulate. Number one postulate says that a straight line may be drawn one point to any another point. Clear? Basically, a line may be drawn from one point to any other point. Now tell me, Abdul, I have one point. I have one point. Can I draw a line in any like to any point? Like suppose that just a second.
yes,
Suppose just a second. One point is here, one point is here, one point is here, one point is here. Can I draw one line to any point? Yes, I can.
yes,
One line is here. Another line is here, basically.
yeah.
And this line now, this line will be here. Yes or no, Abdul dear? So basically, now you can see that this is a postulate. Why? Postulate because it is related to geometry. A straight line. Line word is used. So line is
Yeah,
basically line is basically in geometry. Yes or no?
yeah. It can go in any direction.
In any direction to any point. Yes, Abdul dear.
Yes,
Sure now?
sure.
Okay, very good. Is that clear to you? That's what first postulate says. So basically, there is one one axiom which is basically listed in the postulate part, which is very important. Axiom 5.1. Okay, but it is said to be axiom, but it is related to geometry. It says that given two distinct points, because why it is called as axiom instead of postulate? Tell me. Can you tell me? I'm saying one distinct. I'm writing it distinct points. There is a unique line that passes through them. Abdul, tell now, dear, see that it is called as axiom, but the basically this statement is referring to points, line, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It should be said to be a what? Postulates.
Postulates.
But why it is not said to be a postulate? Because this is a universal truth. You can say that it's a truth. Just a second. Let me tell you, Abdul. It's saying
Understood,
that
sir.
two distinct points are there. I'm saying that two points are here, Abdul. Tell me.
Yeah.
Okay. There is a unique line that passes through them. Now tell me, Abdul. Okay, suppose I am joining these two points, sorry. Clear?
Yes.
Now, Abdul, tell me, is there any line which can be passed through this?
How, sir?
नहीं, okay. Let me speak that in India. I'm saying that मैंने एक लाइन को इन पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करके एक लाइन बनाई. ओके,
हाँ.
क्लियर ना?
Yes.
अब मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे कि इन दो पॉइंट्स के बीच में कोई ऐसी लाइन भी होगी जो इन दो पॉइंट्स को पास करेगी? कोई होगी? आप हाँ या ना में जवाब देना.
ना.
नहीं ना? Why? Because यही now you can see Abdul, सिर्फ यही लाइन तो इन दो पॉइंट्स को पास कर सकती है एक टाइम पर. Axioms are nothing but truth ना, truth statements.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is called as axiom. Clear?
Yes. Understood, sir.
ये आपको समझ में आया? गिवन टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट्स, जब भी हमें सिर्फ दो पॉइंट होंगे तो उन दो पॉइंट से सिर्फ एक ही लाइन पास कर सकती है. आप कोई भी दो पॉइंट्स ले लो, कोई तीसरी लाइन, कोई दूसरी लाइन उन पॉइंट्स को क्रॉस नहीं कर सकती. यूनिक लाइन नहीं होगी वो, बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगी.
जी.
Now Abdul, tell me, if I take only one point, I can draw many infinite lines.
Yes, sir, of course.
Yes or no?
Yes.
But अगर हमें दो पॉइंट्स गिवन है तो उन पे सिर्फ हम एक ही लाइन बना सकते हैं. उन टू पॉइंट से सिर्फ एक ही लाइन पास होगी, एक यूनिक लाइन जो दोनों को पास करेगी. क्लियर ना?
So it is called axiom.
That's why it's called axiom. Yes, yes. Is that clear, dear?
Yes, sir.
It's also called as parallel postulate, but it's not in the NCERT, so don't need to like worry about it. Clear, dear?
Yes.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Next postulate is a terminated line can be drawn indefinitely. Clear? So basically, terminated line can be drawn indefinitely. Now, Abdul, tell me, I have one line here. This is a line. Clear? So Abdul, now tell me, can I draw this line to infinity from this side and this line to infinity from this side?
Yes, sir. There is no point.
There is no point.
Yes, sir.
If I'm saying that this line can only be like till this length, no, it's not possible. It can be drawn to infinite from both the ends.
Yeah.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir. How much you want, you can draw.
Yes. It's up to you, like how much you want to draw. Clear, dear?
Yes.
Very good. Next is third. Now you can see this is a very straightforward chapter.
Yes, sir. It's easy.
It's easy, na? A circle can be drawn with any center Okay, basically this postulate what says? It says that I can draw any circle with any center or any radius. It's up to me. Like I want a circle with this center. And I want a radius like this. Can I draw this circle, Abdul? Yes or no? This is a
Yes.
smaller circle. I want a very bigger circle. With so center will be like center will be here. Can I
Yeah.
do or not?
Yes.
It's up to me now. I can draw
Yeah.
any circle with any center or any radius.
It's up to you if you want.
It's up to us.
Yes.
We can draw any circle with any radius or any center. We can take any center of the circle. Like we can draw circle here with center this point.
Yeah.
Clear, Abdul dear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this was third. Is that clear to you? Any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt. Clear.
All. Next is all right angles are equal to one another. Right angle is what, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Right angle. Tell me, what is the value of right angle? Abdul?
Sir, I cannot hear you.
I'm saying that what is the value of right angle? Right angle किस angle को कहते हैं dear? What is the value of right angle?
Oh, right angle.
Yes, right angle, dear.
Sir, right angle, it should be equal to 90 degree.
Yes, it should be equals to 90 degree. Very good. So now tell me, Abdul. So it says that all right angles are equal to one another. It says that सारे right angle एक दूसरे के equal होते हैं. Now tell me, Abdul, I am making a triangle here. Triangle is this.
Triangle.
Right angle triangle.
Okay.
Okay. So triangle is this is 3, 4, 5. The value of this sides are 3. This is a 90 degree triangle. Okay. I'm making another triangle with different dimensions. The length, the perpendicular, the base of this triangle are different. So it is 6, this is 8, and this is 10. And this is also 90. Now tell me, Abdul, is there any difference between this 90 and this 90?
No.
No, na 90 to 90 hai na?
Sir.
I'm not saying that, and like we are saying only that 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. Obviously, chahe koi bhi right angle triangle ho, that doesn't matter what are the dimensions. That it should be a right angle triangle, and if there is right angle, so all the right angles are equal to one another. Clear, dear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C, this is P, this is Q, and this is R. Can I say that angle B is equals to angle Q equals to 90 degree? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, na? Because
both are 90 degree only, sir.
90 degree, na? Specifically given a right angle triangle. Hai. Clear, dear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Clear. No.
Sure?
Sure.
Last postulate. Last postulate.
After
Last
this
postulate. Yes, Abdul?
After this finish?
After this, only some numericals are there, which we'll be taking. I will be taking in the class itself. I will take. Is it fine to take the class till 15 minutes extra, like 1 hour, like 1 hour and 15 minutes class?
Yeah, take any. I am free.
Because like this chapter will be done. I don't want to remain left this chapter at this point where the numericals will be late. So I want that we should complete the chapter in this class itself.
There is no time in exam starting.
Okay. That's great. So last remaining point is this. So basically this says that if this is a very lengthy postulate, but a straightforward thing, very straightforward postulate. If a straight line Abdul, try to imagine this figure which I'm writing.
Yeah, I'm reading.
Okay. Figure on two straight line. Makes interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than 2 right angles then the 2 straight lines if produced indefinitely meet on that side in which the sum angles is less than 2 right angles. What is the value of 2 right angles, Abdul? Tell me.
180 degree.
180. Very good. 90 plus 90 is 2 right angles, 180. So basically, this is the figure. Let me tell you how. Like this is a figure. Basically, suppose that this is a line. Okay. So this is a line, and one line is there. Like it's going in this direction. Okay. Okay. And one line is falling on this line. Like this. Clear? So Abdul. Yes, Abdul dear.
So is this corresponding line?
No, it's a line. Basically, I'm drawing a figure according to this statement. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is AB line. Clear? And this is CD line. This is
EF.
PQ line. Or you can say P, any like any, like you can name the line on your own. It's not PQ, or it can be EF, DF, whatever you want. It's okay. The name should be distinct, but is that clear, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's break this statement line by line. If a straight line falling on 2 straight lines, so we have done the thing. 2 lines are there. One line is falling on it. Clear? So it says that makes the interior angle on the same side. So Abdul, interior angle, like you have not like we have left the topic with the interior in the lines and angle. Interior angle are this basically which are made inside the figure, or you can say inside the. Clear now?
Yeah.
So if we take these 2 angles on the same side का है ना? Same side.
Same position होना चाहिए, sir.
Same sides होना चाहिए. Clear, dear?
Yes.
And if we increase these line to indefinite, just a second. I'm increasing this line to and drawing this line to indefinite. So basically it means that suppose let me draw this line here. So I'm drawing this line to indefinitely, and this line will be somewhat like this. Yes or no? I'm just okay. You can see that these lines are not parallel, which means that if I draw this line and this line, they will meet at some point.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yeah, it's not straight line, the second one.
Yes. So basically this says that these two line when the जिस point पे हम जिस side पे हमने angles लिए हैं और वो line indefinitely जब हम draw करेंगे तो वो उसी line पे meet करेंगे. Yes. So basically this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Basically जिनका sum, these 2 angles should be less than 180. If these the angle it is 180, then these line will intersect. अगर हमारे एंगल जो साइड पे हमने एंगल लिए हैं 1 or 2, and if the angles between basically the sum of these angles are less than 180, 2 right angles ना? Yes. So 180 से लेस होंगे तो ये उसी साइड पे मीट करेंगे जिस साइड पे हमने एंगल लिए हैं. Clear, dear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes, sir. Sir, you can just explain once again.
Okay, okay.
This one little confusion.
Okay. मैं क्या? Okay, let me speak that in Hindi. Suppose मैंने आपको ये 2 lines दी हैं. Clear?
Oh.
Let me erase this part as well. मैंने आपसे कहा ये 2 लाइन्स है. क्वेश्चन ने कहा 2 लाइन्स हैं और उस पे एक स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉल हो रही है. ठीक है? और ये कह रहे हैं कि ओके ओके सो बेसिकली ये कह रहा है कि जो हम यहाँ पे जो स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉल हो रही है, तो जो इंटीरियर एंगल्स जो हमने 2 सेम साइड पे लिए हैं, तो उनका जो जो 2 एंगल है वो शुड बी लेस देन 2 राइट एंगल्स होने चाहिए. इट मींस दैट देयर वैल्यू शुड बी लेस देन
180.
180. सो इफ अगर मैं उस पॉइंट जिस साइड हमने एंगल्स लिए हैं, अगर मैं उन लाइंस को इंडेफिनेटली इंक्रीज करूं,
हाँ.
ये जो दोनों लाइन है ये उसी साइड पे बेसिकली मीट करेंगी. सो ये साइड पे ही तो मीट कर रही है ना अब्दुल?
हाँ.
इस साइड पे ही तो मीट कर रही है ना बच्चे? तो
हाँ.
ये उसी साइड पे मीट करेंगे जिस साइड पे वो हमने एंगल लिए हैं, उनका सम लेस देन 2 राइट एंगल्स है, यानी कि 180 से कम है.
हाँ.
क्लियर हुआ आपने?
जी.
एनी डाउट?
No.
श्योर?
Yes.
That's what fifth postulate says. It's look very lengthy, but the concept is very simple. The angles which I've taken on the sides, on the interior angles which I've taken, they are less than 180. दोनों का सम 180 हो गया तो ये मीट करेंगे कभी, क्योंकि वो ये तो एक प्रॉपर लाइन हो गई ना.
हाँ.
180 लाइन लाइक दिस.
Sir, I cannot hear.
Are you there?
हाँ हाँ. आपका आवाज
Sure?
लेगो.
I think you have some internet issue. I have some internet issue. Message is shown. I'm my internet connection is little bit unstable.
Okay, sir.
Clear, dear?
Yes, clear.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
So that's what basically this postulate says. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So let's take one or two questions so that we can imply the postulates and the things in the question itself. Okay, question is there. It's a very straightforward question. So in the next class, we can what we can do, we can start the linear equation chapter, and then in the last I will tell you the you can say number system. Because coordinate is done by yourself. Like I will take the class it's of the coordinate as well, but that will be a very small chapter, so it will be it will take only 45 minutes because you have the idea. So I don't need you will be able to understand the concept very fast. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt, Abdul?
No.
Okay. So this says that if ABC are 3 points on a line between A and C, like suppose that A, this is the line, A, this is the point, B, this is the point, C, this is the point. Okay. A and C के बीच में B point एक lie कर रहा है. Prove that AB plus BC equals to AC. AB जो है और AB plus BC equals to AC है. Clear?
Clear.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
So Abdul, now just take a look at the fourth axiom. Which is the fourth? Yes. Things which coincide are equal to one another. Tell me, just think a little bit.
Things.
I think it's Maghrib in the UAE. I think so. Is that?
No, sir. Isha.
Oh yeah, Isha. I think it's 7 o'clock now.
Yeah, fix 7.
Fix 7. It's 8:30 right now here.
In India, sir, 1.5
hour is ahead. India is 1.5 hours ahead. 90 minutes ahead of UAE.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is Abdul, any doubt? Like, are you able to understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Um, So let's understand this question. Basically we need to do nothing but the question is very simple. It's saying that two A, B, C and 3 points on a line and B lies on A, like between A and C. Clear? So which means that the question is saying हमारे पास एक AC line है और उस पे एक B point lie कर रहा है. Clear? So fourth axiom says that what? The things which coincide on one another are equal to one another. So Abdul, tell me, AC is this line, whole line. Now AC एक पूरी line है. मैंने क्या किया, एक AB line बनाई AC पर, वो ये थी, और फिर एक दूसरी लाइन AC पर प्लेस कर दी, which is BC. Now tell me, AB और BC इक्वल होंगे या नहीं? AB plus BC AC के इक्वल होंगे या नहीं? आपको समझ में आया डियर? Abdul, are you there?
Sir, awesome.
Okay.
It will be equal, sir.
Okay, let me tell you one second. It is AC line. हमारे पास AC line पूरी है. Clear?
Yeah.
अब question says that भाई B पॉइंट एक लाई कर रहा है AC के बीच में. So B पॉइंट अगर लाई कर रहा है तो मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि मैं AB जहां पे भी वो लाई कर रहा है उस तक एक पॉइंट लाइन बना दूं मैं.
हाँ.
और एक AB लाइन बन गई मेरी अब, और एक लाइन में BC तक और बना देता हूं मैं. So अब now बच्चे tell me, AB is coinciding the line AC and BC
Yes.
is also coinciding the line AC. So basically AB, if I add both the lines, AB plus BC equals to AC होगा या नहीं?
Yeah.
It's simple ना?
Simple, sir.
Very simple ना बच्चे?
Yes.
Very good. That's what basically, that's like these kinds of questions will be there in your exam. Now you can think how much like easy is this?
Yeah, it is easy, sir.
It is easy na? So axiom 4 states that you just need to write this line, states that things which coincide with one another. So you are from Kabul, dear? Afghanistan, Kabul?
Sir, no, sir, Paktika.
Okay, so I don't know any name like except Kabul.
Kabul, sir, Kabul, yeah.
Okay. Another are equal to one another. Okay, is this clear,
Sir,
bache?
I know every city of India.
Okay, you know have you visited India?
No, sir, but like it's my favorite country, one of my.
Okay, that's great. So sweet of you.
Sir, from
Right
where
now,
are you?
I am from New Delhi.
Mumbai.
No, New Delhi, bache.
New Delhi. Okay.
Yes, New Delhi. It's my residential place, New Delhi. But I belong to Uttar Pradesh. My hometown is Uttar Pradesh, UP.
Oh, sir, I have not visited, but my cousins have studied there MBA, BBA.
Which university?
Shimla in Shimla.
Okay, in Shimla. Okay. So Shimla is a very like distant point from us. Shimla is a hill station.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
Is that clear, Abdul? Abdul, is that clear, bache?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure, na? Very good.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So only one theorem. So Abdul, difference between postulates and axiom and theorem is that postulates and axiom does not require any proof. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Postulates and axiom do not require any proof. But theorem are the statements which requires proof. Clear? Is that clear? What is the difference between theorem and axiom and postulate? Let me write that thing here. Requires proof. Clear?
Yeah.
Axiom and postulate,
They are same, but we have to.
they don't require proof.
Yeah.
Clear, bache?
Yes.
Yes, Abdul, clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So let's only one theorem is there in your syllabus, which is theorem 5.1. It says that two distinct points two distinct lines or lines, not points, lines cannot have more than one point in common. Okay, so Abdul, let me draw the lines. After that, I will prove this theorem as well. Okay, so this is what? This is, now tell me, Abdul. It says that two distinct lines. This is AB line and this is
NBC.
CD line. Okay, CD line is there.
ABCD.
Now tell me,
Yeah.
if the line intersect, will there be any other points which is common of the intersection line, common point?
No.
Only one intersection point will be there. Now, if the two lines are intersecting, it means that
Yes.
only one point will be common.
Yes. Of course.
Yes, now?
Yes.
That's what we need to prove in this theorem, because it's a theorem, so we need to prove. Like NCERT, it's not given, but there is a proof, very simple proof is there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm assuming that, let me write down the things given. Two distinct lines. AB and CD. Clear, Abdul?
Yes.
Suppose this is P point. I'm saying, okay, I'm making another Q point. Suppose this is, okay. So what we need to prove? I've told you, you have to write the answers in such a manner when you are going to prove the answer. I've told you in the alliance angle. So you will follow this pattern in the exam itself. Lines AB and
CD.
CD can have, sorry, just a second. Have at most one common point.
Yes, sir.
Clear, Abdul?
Yes.
So now let's start the proof. Clear? Basically, start कर रहे हैं proof से, तो हम assume कर रहे हैं. So basically AB and CD कहाँ पे meet कर रहे हैं बच्चे?
AB and CD.
AB and CD P पर meet कर रहे हैं ना अब्दुल?
हाँ.
Yes. So two lines AB
And CD.
and CD intersect at point
P.
P. Clear now?
Yes.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So अब हम क्या सोचते हैं? Let's assume that अब्दुल AB और CD Q पे भी मीट कर रहे हैं. Assume करते हैं. Because हमें प्रूव करना है ना, कुछ assume भी कर सकते हैं हम अपनी तरफ से. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let's assume let's assume AB and CD will intersect at point Q. Clear? Yes or no? Q is
Yes.
different from P. Q is different from P. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Very good. Got it, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Now, Abdul, tell me, these two lines are like if there is a line, so it will have only two distinct points.
Yeah.
Only I've told you that the 2 points are there, so only एक line ही यहाँ से pass हो सकती है इन 2 points से, which is unique line.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
And ये same चीज यहाँ पे भी होगी.
हाँ.
Now अब tell me Abdul, but axiom ये axiom 5.1 कहता है ऐसा? Axiom 5.1 यही तो कहता है ना?
हाँ सर.
ये कहता है अगर हम ये कहते हैं कि ये लाइन यहाँ पे मीट कर रही है एक Q पॉइंट पे भी जो डिफरेंट है P पॉइंट से. Yes or no? So
Yes.
now, so अब्दुल ये बताओ आप बच्चे कि अगर ऐसा हमने कह दिया तो ये 2 पॉइंट, फिर तो ये लाइन एक यूनिक हुई नहीं.
हाँ सर.
यूनिक हुई है नहीं? नहीं हुई ना, क्योंकि हम ये कह रहे हैं वो पॉइंट P पे भी मीट कर रही है और पॉइंट Q पे भी मीट कर रही है, तो 5.1 तो फिर गलत हो गया. और एग्जाम्स कभी गलत होते हैं?
नहीं.
आप ये कहोगे कि आप ये कह सकते हो कि सन ठंडा है?
नहीं सर.
नहीं कह सकते ना. You will not say that sun is cold or cool.
No sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, we
So
cannot.
that's why. So अगर ऐसी बात है तो ये तो हमारे वायलेट कर रहा है, कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर रहा है वो एग्जाम 5.1 को. और एग्जाम 5.1 तो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है, यू कैन से. एग्जाम्स आर व्हाट? यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है ना, फैक्ट्स हैं.
Yeah, universal truth.
Yes or no? So
Yes.
you can, so for this you can say that you will write one more line as here. It means if you assume that, it means what? It means two lines L, oh, sorry, not L, AB and CD passing through two distinct points.
Yeah. Two distinct points.
भाई 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच में अब तो बच्चे एक ही तो लाइन हो सकती है ना.
Yeah.
बट यहाँ तो यहाँ 2 लाइनें हो रही है एक पॉइंट 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच में, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल.
Yeah, ये गलत है सर.
ये गलत है ना.
Yeah.
अगर यहाँ पे हमने कह दिया कि अब ये बताओ आप अब्दुल, ये कोई एक यूनिक लाइन अगर होगी तो फिर ये होगी ना A और Q के बीच में.
हाँ सर.
बट A और Q तो कहीं इंटरसेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहे CD से
हाँ.
यूनिक पॉइंट पे. सो ये कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट कर रहा है. क्लियर हुआ अब्दुल?
Clear हो.
एनी डाउट इन दिस? Yes
No.
Abdul, any doubt?
No sir.
Okay, so you will write next thing is, but it is contrary, like it can be in your exam for 3 marks. That's why I'm proving it to the axiom 5.1. Axiom 5.1. Clear Abdul?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No,
So our supposition or assumption, clear? Supposition हमने assume की थी ना, is wrong. इसमें कुछ कैलकुलेशन नहीं है, जस्ट आपको assume करके अपने आप को गलत साबित करना है.
हाँ सर.
Okay, so that's what basically is. Hence,
Proved.
two distinct line has only one common point. Cannot
Have two common points.
more than one common point, or you can say two. Okay. Clear Abdul?
It's simple, yeah.
It's simple na? So that's what
Yeah.
how you will prove. You can say only the 3 lines are there. First, we have to assume AB and CD will intersect at point Q, but it's saying that if two, it means that AB और CD two distinct points से pass कर रहे हैं P और Q, so ये possible नहीं है. Clear
नहीं.
हुआ?
Yes.
So that's what the difference is. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so just give me a moment. So next, only one question is there. So I need to take more 15 minutes class because some questions are there still. So after that, only 2 questions are there.
It's
from,
okay.
okay, from that, I will, just a second. I will give you, okay, there isn't anything which is given to the homework. So let's take only the numericals in the class itself, because you have some exams as well. And right now you won't be able to do the homework. So let's take those questions in the class itself. Clear, Abdul?
Yes.
So are you enjoying the maths right now?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Like
Sir,
now you are, yes, Abdul?
सच बोलूं तो सबसे like the main hated subject was maths.
Okay, you don't like the maths at all, like before joining the class.
Yeah.
Now you like maths?
Yes.
Are you able to understand the concept? Basically,
Yes,
हमें
sir.
कैसे क्या चीज approach करनी है बच्चे?
हाँ, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, so first question is this. मैंने ये directly NCERT की question है, because questions इसके beyond नहीं जाएंगे, because बहुत simple chapter है. Okay, so question is saying that हमें यहाँ true or false बताना है कि ये true है या false है. Only one line can pass through a single point. Is it true or false? सिर्फ एक
Only
लाइन
one.
पास कर सकते एक सिंगल पॉइंट से. फॉल्स और ट्रू?
False.
फॉल्स, बिकॉज एक पॉइंट से इनफाइनाइट लाइन पास करती है.
Yeah.
एक पॉइंट है, यहाँ से बन गई, यहाँ से बन गई, यहाँ भी गई, यहाँ भी गई. इनफाइनाइट लाइंस विल बी देयर. क्लियर हुआ?
Yeah.
There are infinite number of lines which passes through two distinct points. True or false?
There are
Infinite number of lines which passes through two distinct points.
False.
False, because two distinct points में सिर्फ एक ही यूनिक लाइन पास हो सकती है. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides.
Sir, true. हाँ, ये postulate true में भी था.
ये true, ये postulate written है directly. If two circles are equal, Abdul, if two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. दो सर्कल इक्वल हैं, तो उनके रेडियस इक्वल होंगे या नहीं?
हाँ सर, ट्रू.
Obviously ये इक्वल ही होंगे. ट्रू. If AB equals to PQ, AB PQ के इक्वल है और PQ XY के इक्वल है, तो हम कह सकते हैं AB XY के इक्वल है.
या सर, या ये
True
तो
or
क्या?
false? It's true now.
True.
Very good. So next thing is that okay, so one question is there. AC and BC. Okay, so this is a question. So it's a question 4th. So which sports you like, Abdul?
Football and cricket.
Between football and which is the most played one by yourself?
Myself, sir, football.
Okay, you basically like football.
Because no, here I play a lot football. That's why.
Okay. So yeah, like in okay. Got it. Clear. So Abdul, next question is there. If a point C lies between the 2 points AB and A and B such that AC is equals to BC. Let's draw the line. Sorry for that. Let's draw a line. तो क्वेश्चन कहता है एक लाइन है. सबसे पहले हम लोग अज्यूम कर रहे हैं एक लाइन है AC, सॉरी A and B है. A B और 2 पॉइंट्स हैं और उनके बीच में एक लाइन है. क्लियर बच्चे?
Yes.
And C point lie कर रहा है between them. C lies between them. क्लियर हुआ?
हाँ सर, AC is equal to
AC
BC.
equals to BC given है. So now let's write the thing. First given thing is AC is equals to BC. Equation 1 हो गई हमारी ये. Second, okay, so what we need to prove is this. To prove AC is equals to half AB के equal prove करना है हमने. Clear हुआ अब्दुल या नहीं?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So what this thing we need to prove. Let's come to the proof, Abdul. Okay, the question. So thing is given here. AC is equals to BC given है. So Abdul, if I add the same thing on the both sides, will there be any change in the equation? Can
No,
I do
sir.
this thing or not?
Yes, sir, you can.
The axiom says that na, if equals are added, the whole will be equal.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Equals are added to equals.
Equal are added, so the answer which is coming will be equal.
Equal only, yeah.
So adding. So Abdul, which thing which should add to get the value to AC?
AC, sir.
AC na. If I add AC on this side and if I add AC on this side, I will get 2AC here, and AC plus BC is what? AB? AC plus BC is AB na?
Yes, sir.
So adding AC on
Plus AC.
on both, or you can say in equation. This is equation 1 na?
Yeah.
Both sides in equation 1. Clear?
Yes.
So AC plus AC is equals to AC plus BC.
Plus
So this
2AC
is 2AC is
equal
equals
to
to AC AB, sorry. So you will
AB.
write here AB is equals to AC plus BC. Clear what? So
Yeah,
basically
sir,
your
the answer
AC will be equals to half of AB.
AB.
Hence proof.
Yeah.
Now you can see this is how much small, like very easy.
Easy, sir. Yeah.
Easy na?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir. Clear.
Very good. So only one question is left. Let's take that question as well. So in the next class, I'm saying that one question I will be giving you as homework. So not a homework, that would be your you can say assessment or anything you want. Axiom 5 hai na, which says that whole is greater than part. I've told you na, whole is greater than part. Yes or no, Abdul? Do you remember?
Yeah.
So वो आपको इसका मीनिंग, उसको बेसिकली यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ कहा जाता है. उस एक्सियम को यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ कहते हैं. सो आपको ये पता लगाना है तो हम उसे क्यों कहते हैं, एक्सियम 5 को यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ क्यों कहते हैं, आपको उसका मीनिंग, उसका रीजन पता करना है. और नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं आपसे पूछूंगा एज अ वाइवा. क्लियर हुआ? ओके. इजी सा है, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. क्लियर? ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन सेज दैट AC एंड BD इक्वल है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिवन थिंग सबसे पहले लिखोगे आप अपने क्वेश्चंस में.
इक्वल टू BD.
वेरी गुड. गिवन है AC BD इक्वल आपको गिवन है. क्लियर? हमें प्रूफ करना है AB इक्वल्स टू CD. AB जो है CD के इक्वल प्रूफ करना है हमें. यस और नो?
यस.
श्योर हुआ?
यस.
सो अब मैं क्या कह सकता, लेट्स कम टू द प्रूफ पार्ट. टू प्रूफ व्हाट वी नीड टू प्रूव.
टू प्रूफ
इज AB CD के इक्वल है.
AB प्लस.
So let's come to the proof. Proof is that, now tell me Abdul, AC equals to BD. Clear? ये given है. So can I write this AC as AB plus BC?
Yes. AC equal to AB plus BC.
BC is equals to, अब BD को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? BD को मैं BC plus CD लिख सकता हूँ बच्चे?
हाँ.
Just a second ना, let me raise this thing. BD ये whole part है. BD, just a second. BD ये whole है. BD is this whole. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Just a second. Let me active. So there will be one assessment, Abdul. Okay.
Assessment, sir, I said that I cannot join it because of
Why?
Sir, I'm not able to log in.
Okay. I will share you the link and thing.
Okay, sir, just share the link. I'm sorry because I cannot.
No worries about it. Just a moment. Is your
Sir,
full
it
name
will be-
Abdul Hafiz Abdul?
Yes.
Is your full name Abdul Hafiz?
No, sir.
What's your full name?
Abdul Wase. I renamed it.
Abdul?
Abdul Wase. Abdul Hafiz is my elder brother.
Okay, Abdul Wase, spelling W-A-S-E.
S-I.
What's the spelling Wase?
W-A-S-I.
Abdul. Wasi, Abdul Wasi. Okay.
A-B-D-U-L-W-A-S-I.
Abdul. So you speak Wase instead of Wasi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I thought that it's W-A-S-E, Wase. Okay, no issues. So can I write BD as BC plus CD?
BC plus?
BD as BC plus CD.
Yes.
Yes ना? BC plus CD को ऐड करोगे आपको BD मिलेगा. So now Abdul, just remember the Euclid's axiom which says that when you subtract the equal, the remainders are equal.
Subtracting equals from equals.
Yes or no? So both the equations are both LHS is equals to RHS. If I subtract the equals thing from the LHS and RHS, the answer will be equal or not?
Equal, sir.
Okay na? So can I subtract BC from LHS and RHS? This is your equation. 2.
Yes.
Subtracting BC from both sides.
So AB is equal to CD, sir.
In equation 2. Okay. So AB plus BC minus BC is equals to BC minus BC plus CD. So this will cancel out this will cancel out this. Clear हुआ?
AB is equal to
so
CD.
AB equals to CD हो जाएगा. Clear? Hence proved. Any doubt, Abdul?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sure.
Very good.
So chapter is finished?
Yes, chapter finished.
Okay.
Just a second. Okay, Abdul, any doubt, bache?
No, sir.
Sure?
Sure.
So that's what Euclid geometry is. Now you can think like kitna simple chapter hai?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Easy.
Very easy, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's your chapter is done. Only 2 chapters are left. 3 chapters basically. So basically coordinate geometry.
Sir, you can not count it.
Yes, we can say that. Like I will take a revision tour of that chapter as well. But we mainly हमारे 2 chapters left हैं, which is linear equation and number system. So linear equation भी बहुत easy है, number system भी बहुत easy है.
Sir, number system भी आधा समझ लो आते हैं.
That's very great. That's very